Guys, it's Techno Viking 23 coming to you from Flat Top, West Virginia. We are at Winterplace Ski Resort, and I'm on my way up through the East Coast here. We're going to have a little ski trip this week. I'm going to make a couple of stops, and I was just on the way up to Canaan Valley and said, you know what, I'm going to stop by Winterplace and see what's been going on up here. I have not skied at Winterplace in over 20 years, so it's going to be kind of an interesting trip here. To see what's going on and to see how this mountain is. Now, it looks like they did get a little bit of snow last night, so we've got a little dusting here on the ground. And I'm not quite sure how many trails they have open here, but we're going to go get a couple hours in, just see how it's going. It looks pretty crowded. It is a Saturday. We had to park all the way out at the far end of the parking lot, so hopefully the mountain is not too crowded. It seemed like a lot of people were just kind of hanging out in the pub and in the restaurant, so we're going to get out there. It's pretty cold out. It's about 30. The wind's blowing. Got some snow flurries, so great ice coast skiing day. So let's get out there and check Winterplace out.